Girl, you're looking good, about as perfect as can be. Can't take it no more. I need to feel you close to me. So come a little closer, baby. I need to kiss those ruby red lips, taste your sweetness, girl. Good Lord, I can't get you out of my head. Yeah, so walk on over to me and jump right.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another morning.
We're in Howick on the way to Moy River. So we came to check out the falls after a very long time.
I'll just show you what it looks like now. So we have a little tourist information center that's here. And they have closed off the entrance to this place. Previously, it used to be like really busy with taxis and so on, causing havoc, yeah? So now, you can walk freely without having to worry about vehicles. The Midlands Meander map, directory. Oh, and they have the Karkloof canopy tours in the area. That's your zip lining and some lovely curio shops here. With some handcrafts and beadwork and a whole lot of other arts and crafts. What do you think?
So beautiful.
It is, eh? Wow. Falls in all its glory.
How's this, guys? When last did you see a bears? Did y'all even know it still existed? In the town of Howick. So we're just gonna show you the little, what am I gonna say, town area?
CBD. That's the Howick Falls Hotel.
No. There's a lot of shops that we're not familiar with. Maybe Debonair's, Granite Bank.
SPCA charity shop.
Yeah, you don't know Nando's. So it's Anglican Church.
Very much, they got this like new mall on the left,
The falls.
but still got town feel, small town feel. You got everything now, McDonald's, a KFC.
A super quick AutoZone.
Hi guys, just a quick note to say that we're going to be making a separate video about our latest partner, that is Taxtim. That'll be coming in the week. For those of you that are still interested in knowing more, please click on the link in the description box. For those of you who are forced to explore the world of SARS, then we will put up a separate video coming one of the days this week. Back to the main video. Okay, so change of plan. On the way to Moy River, we found the Karkloof farmers markets. Because you know we are the market people after all. So it's a few hours left for the market to end. I think just maybe over an hour. So we're going to check it out before we leave.
See you in a bit.
Is this too good to be true? Nope, only true.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Are we in?
Howick?
Howick. And we met some subscribers at the Karkloof farmers market.
And you guys are?
I'm Alicia.
And Milan.
Pleasure to meet you guys.
Are you from the area?
We live in Maritzburg.
Oh, okay.
Far away.
So we started with the Maritzburg vlog. We're making our way up to Moy River. Starting with some juice. Thank you so much. Can I get your...
Oh, that tastes much better. Yeah, stand up like that. Like that.
So cook it with a piece of fat and then butter.
Just chop butter. In the pan. Let it go sizzling and it actually browns a little bit. So much flavor.
Okay. Well, normally we would just fry them. Yes.
Sorry guys. Some stuff. Later permanently buys things.
Yes, you does.
I'm gonna buy more cheese.
Wow guys, in the heart of Howick. Look at this farmer's market. It's absolutely beautiful. An amazing market. The best cuts of meat. And you know what? Fresh produce. I would say venison, game meat, smoked sausage. We have the Petite France cheese balls that are here. Wow. The outdoor seating area. What you buying?
Ice Milo.
This ice Milo is absolutely divine. It's winter, by the way.
Ours is between the trees.
Is this like
Oh, is this the hall?
We didn't get much food, guys, so it's not a regular haul.
Yeah, we can't just show
But
you like a full-on video.
This is the most proper farm market I've ever been to. This is from, you would have seen where we bought it from, but it's camembert cheese, 2 for 50 rand. I have never seen camembert cheese at that price.
That's a fact.
A Howick farmer, Marrakesh cheese. Durban couple that retired, they now make their own cheese. This is brie. Tasted it, you would have seen that. And then my absolutely favorite cheese is halloumi. And he gave us tips on how to cook it. So
You would have seen that in the video.
Okay, we got gummies, which is for later on tonight, and we've got some homemade juice. Bye.
And you have an ice Milo.
An iced Milo, that's the most refreshing thing right now. So unfortunately, it's not an eating video like we normally do, but I'm so upset that I can't eat any of the farm fresh breakfast.
and the food looks so divine.
Yeah. We're really full. I can't explain to you.
What caught my eye was that bacon and egg roll.
Someone was
Everybody was carrying that.
Eggs Benedict, and I was like, oh my god, pancakes, and it's like my strawberry and cream. Yeah, but this is
Lovely entertainment.
Yep.
The
And
background
as you can
there.
see, we're surrounded by farms.
Yeah.
You're not going to get any more farm stall than this.
Then this.
So
This is not just a plot of land. This is actually
yeah.
on a farm. There's some horses and so on there in the distance. I wonder if I'll be able to capture some of that. Let's see.
You've already seen the video.
Guys, a dual purpose smoker and a braai stand.
Do you make them?
Yes, I do.
Made by this very talented gentleman. We're a family of 2, so this is like perfect.
How can you leave Renata out?
It's so rude.
Exactly.
Well, she lives on her own.
Yeah, but I mean, how can you have braai without me?
Okay, so this is what we came to buy, which is for Poiki, and that's what we're going
I
away
can always
with.
use a poiki on this and then.
And then let me show you
It's like a
the rest of the stuff on offer here. All handmade. Guys, these are beautiful. So we're leaving with a tiny braai stand.
So guys, this brings a close to our,
Howick Adventures.
yep,
This is definitely this Karkloof farmers market. If you ever in the area, even if you're in PMB, if you're in Durban, it is a bit of a drive, but make it a weekend.
you would have seen also subscribers that we've met in the beginning.
Yeah.
So the people from Pietermaritzburg do come to this area here.
Yes.
Probably
So-
it's not known to everybody, but hopefully with this video we'll be able to make this place a little bit more popular
It is
amongst.
busy. It is quite popular, but this is as farm stall gets. And even this Milo right now,
It's going on well.
$35 for a whole cup of Milo, which is not a thing that happens in Durban for us.
I'm only seeing it in the video. I need to taste that.
This juice is actually quite tasty.
And it's not
No
watered
sugar.
down. And that's a sugar-free juice.
It's a sugar-free.
It's granadilla, so it's the real fruit.
That's a good dose of Milo that's in there. Tastes absolutely amazing. On a hot
Winter day.
winter day, because the mornings and evenings are freezing cold, but in the day it is hot and dry. So we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Until the next one, we're gonna say from Howick, bye.
In my arms, 'cause all I wanna do is get